Today's my birthday. This melting is just what we've been waiting for. After 8 long months of winter, today feels like spring. I think it's about 17. Feels like Florida. It's not even close, but it feels like it. And with everything that's going on, it's all I need for a birthday present this year. So nice to see people out starting to work on their yards, and it happened so fast. I mean, literally it was snowing, I think yesterday? Yeah, today it's beautiful. And this is what happens. It's kind of like Blizzard Beach for about a week. Everything just melts and flows. And I love it. A little cardio going up this hill. Come on, sassy girl. You're a happy girl. But he's like, let me have my leash. This is usually where I let him run around and we throw the ball. And he's good, but he's not perfect. And there are other people around, so I don't want him running up to people, so I can't allow it. Sorry, bud. You still having fun? You're still having fun, aren't you? Yeah! Go get her! Get her! Melt. As you can see, I'm letting my full beard grow in. Just some new to try, I guess. Bored in isolation. It's kind of, I started it when we started isolating, so it was kind of a way to keep track of the time as it goes by with all of this. Anyways, today is my birthday. I'm 51 years old today. Crazy. I'm very thankful, and although we can't go out and do anything today, a year ago today I was looking at some flashbacks, and so it was our tea that we had at the Banff Springs Hotel. That was right on my birthday 1 year ago. And of course Facebook popped up a memory of being at Epcot on this day 2 years ago, enjoying Flower and Garden, but not this year. So the girls, I believe, have been working like crazy to put on a tea for me. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna have a birthday tea, but home style, to sort of simulate some of our favorite teas. So, you know, we've gone Banff Springs or the Grand Floridian, Bull and Bear, not the Bull and Bear, the Peacock Alley at the Waldorf Astoria. But yeah, this one is going to have even more love. Oh, and there was a gift waiting for me at our front door this morning from our friends Alan, Larry, and Ryan. And they got me a bottle of Buffalo Trace, which I was out of. So, awesome. Make room, guys. Slide it in here in the bourbon section. I have to admit, I'm been lazy this week. Just been lazy. Work's been really busy, so I'm lucky I am still working. I'm working from home, and lots to get done still, so I am lucky in that regard. So I have been busy, but I've been lazy. So I've got a video I'm working on, and it'll be out sometime this week, and it's just a house tour. So I was going to give you a tour of our house and my man cave here. I want to do it a little bit different. I'm trying to be funny, and I'm trying to do it like MTV Crib style. So it's taking me a little bit longer to work on it. We'll see how it turns out. I don't know. I'm having fun with it. And if you haven't done this, you really should. And that's what I did last night. Got together with a bunch of my friends on, I think we used Google Meet, It's like Zoom or Skype or any of those things where you can have multiple people join in. And we just we had virtual beers. We hung out, had a few beers, had a bunch of laughs, told stories. We were able to share screens. We shared some photos from like past camping trips. These are all the guys I go camping with every year, and I've been friends with since even before high school, grade 8. So going back a long, long ways. And it was fantastic. Felt, normal again to be hanging out. And it was a lot of fun. And I really want to thank my friend Ralph for putting it together for my birthday. It was great. And Ralph's my friend that I've known since, grade 8. He was the paper boy for our house in Regina, Saskatchewan. So we go back a long, long way. All kinds of adventures. We even did virtual shots. Mind you, this stuff is pretty awesome. It's a 51-year-old doing his birthday. Chills out in the basement, cranks the Tool album. My daughter just brought me a sandwich stick. I think they're crusts from the fancy sandwiches they're making for my tea. Whoa, that was so good. Wow.
Okay, so for the sandwiches, we have an egg salad right here.
Okay.
Little triangles. And then right here we have the croissant with the salmon. And then this is the cucumber sandwiches, classic. And then some salmon with some cucumbers.
And then
we have mini blueberry scones back here. And then we have some bigger scones, pretty big. And then some quiche.
oh, what kind of quiche?
Cheese, ham.
Ham and cheese? Oh, nice.
And then up top we have lemon squares and some lime bars.
Awesome. What kind of tea?
Gray.
Earl Grey.
David's tea.
David's tea. Oh, the creamy Earl Grey. We couldn't find clotted cream. Charmaine made clotted cream. I didn't even know you could do that. Amazing. We start at the bottom with the sandwiches and work our way up. I think that's how we usually do it.
We usually start with scones.
Yeah. Well, I always thought we did the the sandwiches.
Of course, it's the sandwiches.
Yeah, we do the sandwiches first, and then we make our way up to the top.
Sugar or cream?
Not for me. This looks so awesome. This looks as good as any tea I've been to. Thank you so much. That cucumber sandwich was so good. Legit.
$80 each.
Yeah, we're not paying $80.
You both owe me $80.
Didn't have to dress up. First time I've gone for tea wearing a Tool t-shirt. This is the salmon croissant. Hey! Almost dropped my croissant. Cheers. So good. Creamy Earl Grey. Tastes like it has cream in it, but it does not. This salmon is my favorite. So good with that fresh dill. Delicious. Do you like jazz?
Some sick and tired.
Go.
Okay.
I'm not doing it. Michelle was just bragging she could recite the whole Bee movie,
Yeah, I do it. It's a party trick.
but she won't do it right now. It's my birthday.
But we're good.
That's what I want for my birthday. Is the coast clear, buddy? Are we safe?
No.
Not sure. Yeah, we're so safe with you. Thank you, buddy, for all you do. Making our way up to the second level. Our little quiches. Little quiche. That's really good. Now it is on to the scones. Or is it on to the scones?
Scones.
Scones? Scones?
Scones.
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 Ah, I don't know.
Sconces? That's light.
It's not a scones.
My scone didn't work.
Your scone didn't split?
Your scones?
Mine did. Didn't split perfectly.
Maybe those ones.
No skimping on the cream this time. Not like when we're on Floridian. They gave us like a teaspoon of cream to use.
Cargo space?
So this is the lemon curd we bought yesterday. This is it's called Lovely Lemon Curd.
Cargo space? No, Cargo Road. You've told worse jokes. I'm telling you this.
That's the reaction that joke got.
This actress got stabbed. It's Reese. You know her last name?
Witherspoon?
No, with a knife.
We're at the last level, lemon squares, and a Canadian classic, the Nanaimo bar. It's basically a chocolatey crust with coconut and chocolate on top. What is it? What is a Nanaimo? What's in the middle?
Yellow
Custard.
Custardy kind of a thing. It's really good. On our way to get my birthday dinner, we're getting some Chinese food from our favorite place. We got lots, we got everything. All my favorites. So much food. Oh, that was the free wings. We got free chicken wings, yeah. Because I ordered so much food. Oh my goodness. Look at this cake. This is a crepe cake. Look what the sugar on the hazelnuts. Thank you so much. I totally get what you mean. It's too beautiful to eat. I tried to make this cake like 10 years ago. Well, yeah, and it was a fail. This is a total nailed it. Wow. Yeah, really. I know that's not true. This is incredible. Wow. I can't wait to try it.
We're not eating it.
Ah!
Never ever.
Okay, I'm gonna try and cut this cake. What do I do? Should I cut it in half and then quarters, or should I just try to cut out a section?
Whatever you think.
I'll try to go right in half. Look at this thing. This is incredible. Wow. How many layers? I mean,
All of them.
yeah, that's infinite layers crepe cake. Wow, thank you so much.
It's really crepey.
So I am just going to eat this incredible cake and enjoy the rest of my birthday. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll see you next time from the Holy Moly. Bye-bye.